So, whilst carrying out my regular oil change interval, which is about 4,000 miles, obviously I've taken the filter out and I've taken the little plug out here that always seems to give us a bit of grief with a 6mm Allen head on it, and we always wonder if it's going to come undone or slip. And then obviously we drain the tank here. So here's the original plug. You can see where it's starting to possibly, if I can get it into focus, that is, there you go. So that's the original plug. I've just cleaned it up. But KTM do this wonderful plug, very similar, slightly longer magnet, same thread, but with a massive, I think it's a 10 or a 12mm. So if we put them side by side, you can see what the difference is. So I think you've got a lot more meat to get hold of and undo, and it's going to last a lot longer. So it's about 11-12 quid, and and don't worry, the magnet doesn't hit anything in the engine that it shouldn't hit. So it's a KTM part, and the part number is 58030021100. It's out there, it's on the internet, but just thought I'd share that. So just a little bit more future proofing of your engine. Yeah, that was all, just a quick one. Might help people out. It does save that moment when you put that 6mm socket in, 6mm Allen bolt in, and you think, is it going to undo, is it going to twist, is it going to turn? And then it cracks and you think, wow, brilliant, I got away with it again. This time I think it's far better putting a nut on there. So I'm sorry, Aprilia, KTM done it right, you didn't, in my humble opinion. I hope this helped somebody. It's helped me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.